For more than 25 years, and with unlimited passion, our experiences have grown significantly in the field of gold, metal, and water detection devices. We take pride in our achievements, transforming from a retail seller a decade ago to both wholesale and retail. Thanks to several factors, with the company's showroom being a key component. Situated on a main street in the heart of Dubai, our showroom naturally enhances the client's confidence in dealing with our company. Moreover, we consistently uphold the trust of our customers by providing them with effective scientific detectors from reputable and reliable sources. We also guide them and offer advice on selecting the most suitable device for their needs. At Groundwater Detectors, we are not just suppliers. We are strategic partners with numerous global manufacturers, aiming to meet the customer's needs in the best possible ways. We always strive to provide an exceptional experience that leaves a positive impact in this field.